Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about Shopify page builders. So, Shopify page builders as apps such as Page Flye, Shogun, and so on. So, Shopify can be integrated with certain page builders if you want custom layout for your page, if you don't want to use Shopify default layout for your pages, which is pretty basic. However, you need to remember that this kind of page builders can seriously slow down the website, which happened to my client. Basically, what happened? I believe she was using Page Flye. And at the moment when I started working with her, I noticed that her website speed was really slow. So I think the homepage was loading okay. So the homepage was loading below 2 seconds. However, those custom built pages were loading at about between 7 and 9 seconds. So this is seriously slow. And because she used those pages, for some reason she used them to build collections. So she didn't use default collection layout for her collection. So default Shopify collection, she used those custom Page Flye page builder, and she added products through this way. So this must have been pretty complex process. However, she shot herself in the foot because those collections, effectively pages, they were loading seriously slow. Effectively, she had absolutely no sales, and I was trying to convince her for a number of months to switch off the Page Flye because it was definitely affecting sales, affecting loading speed, and effectively affecting SEO because Google doesn't like slow websites. And literally after she switched to different theme and stopped using Page Flye, she started having regular sales of about 300, 600, 700 pounds because she's in UK a day. So basically she switched from zero sales to a couple of hundred, a number, almost 1,000, well, 600, 700 pounds per day. So this is a huge step, a huge difference. And I know the difference came to switching off Page Flye because I've been working with her to drive traffic. She's been paying for Google Ads, and she's been quite active paying for Google Ads. And the moment she switched off Page Flye, she started having regular sales. So remember, don't use page builders, and if you have to, make sure to keep an eye on the website speed because it can definitely affect sales. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful, please click like underneath right now, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more e-commerce tips and tricks and to learn how to boost sales with Shopify. And thank you so much for your time. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.